Now we're going to add lighting, and if you haven't seen our rendering lights tutorial yet, then I recommend you watch that because I'm going to go through this fairly fast. First we create a render buffer with the same size as the graphics window resolution, and we need a color component, a depth component, and for deferred lighting we need a normal component. And then down here, first we're going to set the buffer to the buffer we created. Then we call render world and draw the world to that buffer. Then we set the buffer to the back buffer, which is the default rendering context. And then we say render lights, and we pass our buffer with the color and depth and normal textures to the render lights command. Okay, and we need to create a light, of course. I'll create a spotlight. We're going to position it. And we'll rotate it to face the center of the scene. Okay. We'll run that and see what it looks like. Much better. Okay. I just want to show you one more thing now. That's pretty good. So if 2 boxes falling is good, then I think 100 will be even better. So I'm going to create a for loop. I'm going to say body equals okay, so what this is doing is you can call copy entity on any entity except a terrain and it will return a copy. And the copy entity command returns an entity class. And we actually want a body class, but we know this is returning a body. A body is an extension of the entity class. So we need to wrap this in parentheses with the tBody function. And if you don't understand that, then I recommend asking some more on the BlitzMax forum. And then we'll position our newly created body. And we'll give it a random position on the x-axis and on the z-axis. And on the y-axis we'll use in for the height. So that'll make it so they don't all bunch up. And then I just want to position the camera back a little bit. So we can see better. And let's see what happens. I want to make sure the debugger's off for this. Alright. Nice. So now you know how to use bodies, and you know how mass works, and how to set up collisions. And this forms the foundation of physics in LeadWorks Engine.